Here's how you can hide or unhide locked chats in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. If you pull down on the home page, you'll see the locked chats option appear. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Here you can see all the locked chats. In the top right corner, tap on Settings. To hide locked chats, look at the top and turn on the toggle next to Hide Locked Chats. Now a pop-up will appear on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Create Secret Code. Enter a memorable secret code. And re-enter to confirm it. You'll get a confirmation saying that locked chats are now hidden. Now exit WhatsApp and remove it from the recent apps as well. Next, open WhatsApp once again. Tap on the search bar at the top and enter the secret code you just created. It will give suggestion for locked chats. Tap on it. Now the locked chats will appear on the screen. Next, to unhide the locked chats, tap on the settings option at the top right corner. Here, toggle off the Hide Locked Chats option. Tap on Continue in the confirmation pop-up. Next, tap on the secret code option and turn it off. And that's it. The Locked Chats option will now be visible in the home screen.